Hello, everybody. Bill Thornton, SoCal Saber here. It's time for some more Detroit Tiger baseball. This time again, this will be the number 2 video for Out of the Park 25. Hopefully, I'm going to have the game sound better this time. So let's get right to the game. We're going to be playing at Cleveland. I don't know if this is one of those stadiums I had to refigure or not, but I will if it's after the game. We got Stan Williams going for Cleveland here, and Mickey Lolich for the Tigers, as you can see. Don Wirt still in a slump, so we're going to replace him. Let's give Eddie Matthews another start. See, Gage Brown's in today. K-Line's still on. Brown's playing left for Horton, giving him a day off, it looks like. And here we go. Let's get it over here. Yeah, it looks like the sound of the game is better. All right, we got Dick McAuliffe. We got one of those generic stadiums. I'm going to have to build one after this game here. All right, so we're going to do it a generic one, and here we go. And this is called the Cleveland Guardians. And from what I've read, that's a license agreement this year between these guys and the MLB that they had to call them the Guardians, even if this was 1968. All right, Dick McAuliffe at the plate. Going to have one long light. The lights are on in the stadium. Must be an overcast day. Something to take. I'm giving you one big look at the stadium. I'm going to swing the cameras back around for the TV. McAuliffe ready to go. And he lines one in the right center up the clone to the wall. McAuliffe is going to start this game off good. The Guardians are in first place. I'll call them the Indians probably most of the time. Not to offend anybody, but that's where they were most of my life. All right, here we go. Now K-Line not batting 140. He started to come out of 0 for 11 to start the season. Started to come up, and now back in another. I'm surprised he's not in a whatchamacallit slump. And he pops this one out. Looks like the shortstop's coming in by the mound, picking it up. There's Bill Freehan. Bill's batting 306 on the season so far. He draws the walk. Runners at first and second. It's going to bring up Norm Cash, 333, the cleanup hitter right now. Leading the team in RBIs. Horton might be ahead of him. Horton's on the bench right now. Oh, are they turning this double play? They are. The Indians are out of that. Okay, Lolich on the mound. Vic Davalillo. He's a fast little dude. And he hits a pretty high. And out there is Northrop to make the catch. Jose Cardinal. There's the walk. Come on, Mickey, don't get into that or this early. Tony Horton, getting right in the heart of the order here. Oh, and he goes out, jumps, but he goes in the left. He's going to third. Throw him out. Oh, come on, guys. What are you doing? Okay, Tommy Harper. He hits that fly ball. Norton's on his legs again, but this guy's going to score most likely. Oh, he almost got him. Oof. The run does score. Joe Askew. Another base hit. They are just clobbering Lolich early here, folks. Cuts it off. Right. Larry Brown. Get out of this inning, Lolich. Oh, goodness gracious. Uh-oh, look at this, folks. Another hit. We're going to get at least one run in. Did they both score? Yes, they did. 3-0. Oof. No wonder they're in first place. Chico Salmon. And it finally throws it over to Lolich. I think that's finally going to be the third out. Wow. Fans are all excited here. Northrop. Show you the standings in that when the game's over, along with some other stats. There's a base hit for Northrop. A little lazy Texas leaguer in the center. Got to start pecking away already early because they haven't been putting up a lot of runs. There's Gates Brown getting a start. Willie Horton needed the day off. Gates lines it down the line, the right field line. I thought there was a guy. There's two guys on. No, there's one out. It must have been an out one. I thought it was a base hit. Ah, okay. Eddie Matthews playing for work today. Eddie pops it up. The infield. That's what got me before, my depth perception. All right. Got to be better if you're going to be an announcer. Okay. Here's Mickey Stanley. Here comes the left fielder in again. Harper brings it in. We're going to the bottom of the second. Lolich wasted a lot of pitches that first inning. There's already 29 pitches in that first inning. Here comes Matthews. Pick it up. Let's get these guys. 1, 2, 3 this time. Nice stretch over there. Cash. Cavallio.
Strike 3.
There we go. He's throwing around. First time I've seen that. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, I'm seeing a lot of new stuff every time I play the game. It's pretty neat. Cardinal. Down the line. Another hit. K-line's into the corner to dig it out. You guys on second. All right. There's Horton.
Strike 3.
He got him this time. All right. There's Lolich up there. See if he can help himself at all. No, not today. McAuliffe. Draws the walk. Play there, folks. Al Kaline coming to the plate. He's got to get going. He is. This is sad. Struck him. Oh, my goodness. Hell. I think I might have to give you a day off next game. All right, Freehand. 2 outs. Bill pounds one up the middle again. Very shallow. McCall's good, but as a normal, it's a shallow. No, we're not going to third. Down with 2 outs. Especially with your cleanup guy here. Cash, right, lines it right to the first baseman. How easy could that be? We're going to the bottom of the third here in Cleveland with Tommy Harper at the plate. Oh, Cash scoops that one up and takes it, runs over to the bag himself. Hard hit ball. It's Joe Askew. Oh, another hard hit ball. This time it's to Matthews, the old veteran out there on third base. Played a lot of years with Milwaukee back in the day. And here we go with Larry Brown. Okay. Oh, Stanley bobbles the ball, folks, and we're going to have an error here. And there they go. Rogers turned that error right there. That's a way to keep innings going. Lolich is pitching bad enough. He says he can't. Does not like that. There's a fly ball out towards Northrop. He's over and under, and that should be 3. All right, top of the 4th. Jim Northrop himself. And there's a base hit. See what checks Northrop's speed. I'm having a hard time finding charts for this game anymore. Okay, Northrop's on speed 5. So, and we got a 60 arm. No, we ain't going. Gates Brown. Come on, Gates. You were big in 68 for the Tigers.
Strike 3.
Oh, wow. Standing there looking. Probably said, yeah, because you don't play me enough. Here's Eddie Matthews.
Strike three.
Not Matthews. Wow. Stan has got it going now. A little bobbler out to Williams. Flyer picks it up and throws it over to the first baseman. Bottom in the fourth. Chico Salmon. Where you at here? 0 for 1 today. Boy, he hit that ball a long way, folks. But Morton caught up with it at the track. And the pitcher, Stan Williams. Struck him out. You better strike him out, Mickey. Vic Devilio.
Strike three.
All right. Lolich, it's only the fifth. Top of the fifth. We got to get another inning or two out of you anyways. Go ahead and bat, buddy.
Strike three.
McAuliffe. He's 1 for 1. Must have walked once. Tries to walk again. K-line's dropping down to 133 right now. Here's the fly ball to the center fielder. Is going to be going down some more. Yeah, next game day off, Al. Freehand. Freehand hits the ball pretty long way out there in right center. It's gone. They got 2 runs. There's Freehand with a bomb. It's his first home run of the season. All right, here we go. Norm Cash. And the ground ball is short, picks it up, throws it over to the first baseman for the 3rd out. The Detroit managed to get to that inning, folks. There's Jose Cardinal leading off. Cardinal is 1 for 1 this game. He's got 192 on the season. There's a fly ball out the K-line to the right, on the track, deep right. And here comes Tony Horton. Knock him out with a slow curve. There's a lot of stuff we can do up here in this game. You can pitch the contact, and, whatever you want to do. Infield's normal right now. There's no fly ball out. K-line, this time K-line comes in for it, and they got him out in the 5th. We're going to the top of the 6th, folks. It's a 3-2 game. Tigers are out hitting Cleveland right now. Here's Northrop. What's Northrop doing today? 2-4-2. A few home runs this year, 3 of them. Nice that one. Right. Oh, and a diving catch by the right fielder out there. Great play. Fans in Cleveland going crazy. Gage Brown. Pop fly. First baseman is back under the grass. Holds it down for the 2nd out. And Eddie Matthews. Line shot right down the ground. Not a line shot, but you guys know what I mean. A hard hit ball. We're going to the bottom of the 6th. We're going to get Lolich through this inning, and then we'll be out of here. Fly ball, look pretty deep. Northrop's got an eye on it. Larry Brown. It's raining. I don't know what's going on here. Ball with Stanley. Ball's a little wet. Be careful. Max Elvis. There's a line shot. Gates Brown didn't have to run too far. All right, we're gonna go to get somebody warmed up here. So somebody will be hitting for Lolich. Let's do Patterson. He's a setup guy. Medium reliever. Oops, I messed it up here, didn't I? If you hit that other thing down there, the coach will put in two guys for you, which I do sometimes. All right, here's Mickey Stanley. We're in the top of the seventh here. 3-2 game in favor of Cleveland. Stanley trying to beat it out. He does not. Okay, we're going to have a pinch hitter. Oh, let's see who's going to be. It's going to be Horton. We'll give him the day off, but then he said, you can hit ones for us, Willie. Horton's at the plate. So I hope I don't have to run too much. This is supposed to be my rest day. Horton hits the ball pretty hard, but right at the center field. And Dick McCall, top of the order. Dribbler back to the mound. Stan Wynn picks it up and fires over to first, and that's going to be it for the top of the first. Seventh inning stretch, folks. Darrell Patterson is on the mound for the Tigers here in the bottom of the seventh. Horse one. Oregon, the player missed the key, folks. Here's Chico Salmon, the first batter to face Patterson here in the seventh inning. Oh, nice line shot there. Williams was guarding the line and protected it right. He got it right there. Richie Shine Blue. I mispronounce these names, guys. It'd be because I'm not used to them. All right, there's two down. Patterson doing all right here. There's a base hit down the line. That'll be extra bases. Gates Brown in the corner, picks it up, fires it back in the second. The cutoff man fires the second, but he's in there. Cardinal. There's a walk. Patterson just got upset there. Tony Horton trying to get some insurance runs here. Eddie Matthews. Oh, and Eddie bobbles the ball. They're giving another error for the Tigers. All right, bases loaded. You got the first two guys out so nice, Daryl. Now look at this. Got Harper. Harper is their cleanup hitter. Yeah, K-Line is in the slump. See that up there? All right. You are definitely out next game. We might even pinch hit for you this game. Pitch to the batter. We need this guy out. Fly ball. Norton coming in. Takes it, and they get out of that jam. Oof. All right, and it is the top of the eighth. Now K-Line. Now we're going to let you in because you're fielding. K-Line hits a ball pretty hard up the gap there, but not far enough because he's tired. Oh, free hand. Oh, and there's an error for them. That's a wet ball from this when it was raining earlier. Still water on the grass in there. Cash. They're going to turn two. Oh, they're only turning one. Brown is upended by free hand. Break up the double play. Northrop. It was 2 for 3 today. There's a base hit, another base hit for Northrop. All right. Gates Brown. Sure like to see you do something here, Gates. Oh, he is. He's 1 for 3. Draws the walk. You got to get somebody up in the bullpen. This is what happens when you ask the bench coach to put 2 guys in for you. Okay, Eddie Matthews. Eddie, 0 for 3 today, batting 188, 160, 105. Wow, he went down too. Trajewski works. This is good bad. That's 3. Okay, so we're going to take these guys out of the bullpen now. Patterson's still in pretty good shape. Through 1 more inning here. Joe Askew, bottom of the 8th, 3-2. Patterson lines it right at Stanley, picks up one hopper. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Go down there and hit the like button, please, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Help the channel grow some more. Put some remarks down there. Do you play out of the park baseball? Do you have 25, or which one do you play? I did have 20 a long time ago, but I forgot all of the stuff I learned about it. I haven't been able to find any manuals to show me what all of the different symbols mean for it. It's still raining. It's raining, folks. It's still raining. The rain has stopped. The delay lasted 56 minutes. Now that could affect your pitchers. We got to look at this now. Oh yeah, we got to get somebody warmed up right away, as fast as we can. Oh, they're ready because they warmed up before. So we're going to bring Fred Lasher in, because Patterson lost all of his stuff. Okay, so Lasher's in now. That rain delay, 56 minutes. See how it affected brought him all the way down to like Dar. There we go. We got 2 outs here. Let's get to Elvis after the rain delay. But the ball might be wet again. There's a little one out there. Freehan fires hard and Deg got him. Here we are at the top of the 9th, folks. Detroit. It's cold. All right. Stanley to the plate. Mickey hits a lazy fly ball to the left. He's under it. All right, we need a pinch hitter. Let's go with Magic. Okay, let's go with Magic, the lefty. He's a 0 for 1 on the season. Doesn't get to play very much. Get a hit, be a hero. All right, top of the order, McAuliffe. 1 out away from being beat. McAuliffe. Rounds it short. That's going to be the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. The Tigers go down again. And we're going to see what's going on here. Davalillo. Oh, they had only 1 hits by everybody. We got Freehan with 2 hits. Northrop 3 for 4. Other than that, everybody was pretty dead. Got Lolich now 1 and 2 in the season. Stan Williams is 2-0. Pina got a save. The notes: Player of the game is Stan Williams. Ballpark's Cleveland. It rained 43 degrees. The wind was blowing out. Cold night for the fans in there. Time 33, 16,800. Rain delay of 56 minutes in the 8th inning. Why didn't they just call it? Who knows? Leave the game. Here we go. All right, we'll go up here to the Tigers' home screen so you can see. They now are 3 games out of first, tied with Baltimore for 4th place. Guardians and A's are now tied. Guardians by percentage-wise. Yeah. So that's what it is. You can do so many things with here, like changing the lineups. Like that K-line's going to be coming out of the lineup in the next game. I can do that before the game, though. I don't have to do it down here every time. And you can you can do strategies and front office stuff. You got to track the money. You got free agencies, and you got guys in the minors, like right down here. This is my 25-man roster here. This is AAA, AA, and Single A. This is my 40-man roster, but there's only 25 players on it. And I'm wondering if I should bring somebody up that's doing real well. I'm going to look at that in between the games because it looks like this relief pitcher's should be coming up. Mike Marshall's a starter. We'll get him in the starting rotation instead of Hiller. We might be doing a little bit better. They're both green. What do we got for Hiller? Let's look at Hiller. What green? He's green across the board. Marshall is 65 coming up. But Hiller's 5 stars. All right. Anyway, that should be it for this game here. Thank you very much, folks, for stopping by. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to each other. And stay safe.